the balance between companies and universities in Germany and how it affects your studies and career. First, universities in Germany, the heart of innovation and education. Let's talk about universities. German universities are known for their strong academic focus, especially in engineering, business, and science fields. Many of these universities work closely with the companies to make sure the courses you take are relevant to the job market. Most universities in Germany, especially the technical ones, also focus on research and development. This means when you study in Germany, you are just not learning theory, you are learning how to apply it in the real world scenarios. You'll be part of projects that can shape the future. Second, how companies and universities collaborate. Now, you may be wondering, how do companies fit into the picture? Well, Germany has a unique system where companies and universities partner up to provide internships, work placements, and research projects for the students. This is very common in Germany and it's known as dual education. In the dual education system, students split their time between the classroom and company. This helps you gain practical knowledge while you are getting the degree. Companies like Siemens and BMW partner with the universities to give students experience in the real world. Third, internships and part-time jobs in Germany. As an international student, one of the biggest benefit is the wide range of job opportunities. While studying in Germany, you can work up to 20 hours a week. And let me tell you, the companies love hiring students for part-time roles and internship. From WEG students, that is working student, position to internships in top German companies, you have lot of chances to build your career while you study. And trust me, German work experience looks great on your resume. Fourth, why this balance is great for the students. This balance between companies and universities is perfect for international students. You get the best of both worlds, academic excellence and the industry experience. By working on real projects during your studies, you increase your chances of getting a job after graduation. Plus, companies often offer full-time positions to students who have worked with them during their studies. You'll have better prospects and be ready for the professional world. Fifth, key points to remember. So let me break it down for you. Universities in Germany focus on providing you with high quality education. Companies collaborate with the universities to give you hands-on experience through internships and part-time jobs. The dual education system helps you learn in the real-world settings so you can enter the job market ready to go. Internships and student jobs are easy to find and very important in the Germany's job market. Sixth, how to get involved. To find internships, student jobs or work placements, you can visit websites like Stepstone, Indeed or your university's career center. Don't forget to check company's website for better opportunities. Seventh, why this matters for international students. Germany offers international students a perfect balance between academic learning and work experience. Whether you are looking for part-time work, internships, or even full-time employment after your graduation, this system will set you up for success. And now you know how universities and companies in Germany work together to help you as a student and thrive. So start planning your future today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on studying in Germany. See you in the next video. Tschüss.